Hello viewers, I hope all you're fine. So today I take some date and talk about something that you should be know about trading. Okay, so I did in OTC market. So lots of people ask me about trading. That but how I can profitable from trading. Okay, or how I consecutively or continually uh, profitable in trading in the end of month. Okay, so I know that lots of people they earn daily, but in of the month they lose their money, or they would not profitable in the month. Okay, in the month they are losing their money, but they are lost. Okay, so how you can profitable in the end of the month? Okay, so today I talk about it. Okay, so I know that trading so hard, and it is quite hard to be a continue profitable. Okay, so to be profitable, there are some things that you should know, and you should be careful about it. Okay, so first of all, you should think that uh, trading is not easy. Some people are think that they are calm and they earn a lot of money from there, but brother, it's not easy as you think. Okay, it's quite tough to be profitable continue. Okay, so there are some things that you should focus on your trading. Okay, so first of all, you should learn something about trading. First of all, you should learn the basic things of trading. Okay, without knowledge you won't be profitable a day or a month. Okay, so I will check if there is a martingale, though it should be down, but I think I do lose it also. Okay, okay, so first of all, you should be care about your basic things. Then you will be think that you will be profitable in the month. Without knowledge you can be profitable a day or in a month. Okay, some people are also they have knowledge but they can't profitable in a month. Okay, so how you can profitable in a month? So today I talk about it. Okay, so first of all, you think that trading is not easy. You should learn first basic things trading. Okay, then you think that you how you uh, earn from there. Okay, so then you should be think how much money do you need for your daily basis. Money you should target on your uh, daily income or daily your losses target. Stop loss or stop profit. Okay, because in the beginning of we don't have that much money that we lose our money, lose, we don't have and we can't do it. Okay, so you should be care about your daily loss and daily earning. So if you have that you have $5,000, then you can earn daily for day $15. Okay, and you if you are losing the $15, then you also stop your trading that day. Okay, so you should be careful about it before you trading. Okay, so this is the way that you can customize your loss, or you can lace your loss. Okay, this way. Okay, without any other no way that you can you do not lose your trading. Okay, so just think it before you trade. Okay, so I lose something but I earning or something. Okay, but don't one loss, two loss, three loss, but here I win three. Okay, if I win that, then I will be profitable. But I think that also I lost because there is a seller pressure. Okay, but no problem. I will recover my losses. No problem. Okay, so you should be careful about your daily loss and daily profit. Okay, হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা কার এটা দিয়ে একটু আউট কর so this is the way you can loses your money, and if you do this at least 3 or 6 months, then you will be profitable after that. Okay, but you first you do these things, stop loss and stop profit, then you'll be profitable in the month. Okay, without these things you can't do it. Okay, so please, what I'm saying, you should be care about it. Okay, then you will be profitable end of the month. Okay, so do this first. So if I lose there, there are many chances market will reverse there. Okay, but I take care already because I know this candle will be reverse there. If not reverse there, then I will stop my trading today. This is the way you should avoid your lose. Okay, but because I have my target, I have my stop loss or I stop profit. Okay, if I lose there, then I will stop today my trading. Okay, because I know it, and I have this capability to lose, or I can control my emotion. Okay, so I'm losing there, 5 5 5 15 15, and there is 20 20 almost $40, but I earn almost $50. So I lose almost at least here also $35. Okay, so if I earn this trade or win this trade, then I recover my loss, then I will try to profit something. Oh, already I earned that, but I think I take it's 1 minute but no problem, I will know that there will be reversal candle. Okay, so I get it there because look at there, there is a good price. So there is a price to 15, so there is chance to reverse there. Okay, so I trade there, but I will take another, but okay, but I know that this candle will be go up, but my marginal safety, I should, if I can trade there, then I'll be very chance to win there, but I lost there. I know no regret because I take risks because already I require my losses. Okay, okay, so I win it, no problem. So I take down. Oh, okay. Oh, so this is the problem to making uh so I less my amount. Okay, okay, pick 5. So this is the problem when I making money. I trade here. I take 1 minute. Okay, this is the did I wrong during my recording class. So we can see if I lose, then it's my fault. I trade here 1 minute. Okay, but if I win that, then it will be luck for me. Okay, so very chance to win, but it's don't have a market safety. Okay, 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 okay. Wait. 2 1. Here you go. Okay, okay, I win this trade. Okay, so try to I trade some, take some. So there is also a good price rate to use money. Okay, okay. If it's stop this area, but I won't take if there is a big gap. If there is a less gap, then I take reversal trade. Okay, but if it has a very big gap, then I will take down there. But there is a risk down. But if it's come there, then I will take reversal trade. Okay, you are already reversal. I will take down, but there is a very chance to down there because there is a seller pressure. Okay, there is a seller pressure because this candle should be cover this area, okay, but there is a very less chance to win, so I take less amount there, so I don't waste my dollars. Okay, so wait and see. Oh, there is a very good price, so that is a chance to win, so I did not notice that. Okay, okay, wait and see. So OTC market is very tough. OTC market, if you don't have that much knowledge, you should not be trade on OTC market. I think the market will be up, but each market is okay. Because it's kind of because it can very chance to up this area, so I take up there, though it is at 1 minute. But I know that candle will be up there because you notice that there is a green candle, and there is no that much resistance level, so the market should be up there, so I take there. Okay, So almost my I have earned something. So okay, there is what's going on? What's going on, baby? What's going on? Okay, just 5 2 1. Okay, okay. I take martingale there, but look at the candle. Look at the candle. Okay. Oh, but no problem. I this time I also win $5. So don't regret for that. But it's make a dorji. This is the way I lost, but I don't lose this date. Okay, I think there is a reversal candle. I should be the two date for reversal or two for uptrend. So there is a big chance to the candle should be come up there because look at the price rate. So there is a good price rate to reversal candle. Okay, so I did there. And another thing is there is no resistance level. There is it can't come down. So wait for this candle. If I win that, then I will stop my today trading because I almost earned lot to my daily target earning. Okay, wait. There is no chance to lose, but this is a OTC market. There is a anything can be happen there. Okay. Okay, one. Okay, I win. So I win there. Okay. Oh, but there is chance to down there. But I first I take 1 minute, then I take 2 minutes. Okay, but I profit my today target. But I there is a chance to win, so that I take six for 3 date for $6. If I lose, then I don't regret to this dollar because I already earned a lot. Okay, so I want trade win almost, which I take 1 minute. So wait for second one that whatever going on. Okay, so what I'm saying in my video that you should be stop loss or stop profit. Okay, what I'm saying that if I lose that $14, then I will stop my trading. And, but I win this do trade, then I will recover my losses, then I will try to earn some my daily target. So I cover my daily target, so I stop trading today because I earn my daily target profit. Okay, so you should be also think this that you should be care about your loss or profit. Okay, without this you won't be successful in trading. So look at I win this trade, but there is a marginal safety, so I win. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like and comment below if you have any question. So support me. So thank you. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.